Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Morning weather chat.
Good morning, Sarah. How's the weather outside today?
Good morning, Alice. It's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, and there's not a cloud in the sky.
That sounds lovely. Is it warm outside?
Yes, it's quite warm. I think it's going to be a hot day, so don't forget to put on some sunscreen if you're heading out.
Thanks for the heads up. I was planning to go for a walk later. Do you think it'll stay sunny all day?
It looks like it. The forecast says clear skies throughout the day, so you should have a perfect day for a walk.
Alice, that's great to hear. I'll make sure to enjoy the sunshine while it lasts. Thanks, Sarah.
No problem, Alice. Have a wonderful day. Scenario 2. Weather concerns at work.
Hey, Mike. Have you seen the weather forecast for later today?
Hi, Tom. Yeah, I checked it this morning. It looks like there's a chance of rain in the afternoon.
Oh no, I was planning to have a barbecue with some friends after work. Do you think it'll be a light shower or heavy rain?
It's hard to say for sure, but it seems like it might just be a passing shower. You could still go ahead with the barbecue and maybe have a backup plan in case it rains heavily.
That's a good idea. I'll keep an eye on the sky and have some indoor activities ready just in case. Thanks for the advice, Mike.
No problem, Tom. Hopefully, the weather holds up and you have a great time with your friends.
Scenario 3. Evening weather update.
Hi, Alex. Did you bring an umbrella with you today?
Hey, Emma. No, I didn't. Is it supposed to rain later?
Yeah, the weather forecast says there's a chance of showers this evening. It might be a good idea to carry an umbrella, just in case.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll make sure to grab one before I head home.
No problem. It's always better to be prepared, especially with the unpredictable weather we've been having lately.
Definitely. I've learned my lesson the hard way a few times. I'll take your advice and be ready for the rain.
Sounds like a plan. Stay dry out there, Alex.
Thanks, Emma. You too.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.